Here's how to create professional animated screenshots in Premiere Pro. Start by placing your background image on video track 1 and your screenshot on video track 2. Select your screenshot clip and adjust the scale in Effect Controls to your preferred size. Then go to Effects and apply Drop Shadow to your screenshot layer. In Effect Controls, customize the drop shadow by setting direction to -140, distance to 40, and softness to 100 for a realistic shadow effect. Now let's add movement. Apply the basic 3D effect from the Effects panel to your screenshot. In Effect Controls, click the stopwatch icons for both swivel and tilt to create initial keyframes. Then set your starting angle. I'm using 11 degrees for this example. Move to the end of your clip and adjust the swivel and tilt values to create your desired ending position. Premiere will automatically generate smooth 3D animation between these points.